Hey, welcome back to Adelaide. Warm day today. So, what is it in the morning? Just after 9, and it's already 30 degrees. So today is going to be another 40 plus day. I think about 45 degrees scheduled. The sea is lovely and smooth. Have a look. It's not a wave. So heading towards Brighton, as you can see, there's a Brighton jetty ahead. In my usual morning routine, walking the dog. So let's take a stroll. So there's the view of the jetty this morning. You can have a look at there. You see these swimmers. I don't know if you can pick them up on the camera. Every morning you get people swim quite a distance. They start way down the coast there, and then they swim all the way down till they get to the jetty. It must be at least a few kilometers, but yeah, they're out there. You got everything going on over there. You got swimming, metal detecting, and stand-up paddleboarding. We still got the renos going on in the Esplanade Hotel. The whole roof is off it, so I'm not sure if they're putting a second level on, but there's what the inside looks like. Completely ripped out. Crazy. So we still have some decorations and stuff from the tour down under, which part of the race was down here earlier in the week. In fact, I have that footage and I'll put it on the end of the video for anyone that's interested. It's just really the stage from Brighton to Wollonga, which started here and then headed south. So yeah, I'll put that in. Alright, back to our usual spot. Head down to Copenhagen. Actually, let's have a peep in here while the door's open. Yeah, really ripping out the hotel. Interesting to see what they're going to do with the place. As I said before, it's in an amazing spot here, right opposite the jetty. And there's, if you can see, the camera's panning up. No roof on it. Anyway. Well, it's a bit hot this morning for a coffee. It's already about 32. You can just feel the temperature rising. Should have got a nice one. That's the coffee finished with. It's a typical morning in Brighton. It's always kind of a little bit busy, never too crazy. You always get a good crowd. Anyway, we start walking back, so I parked down the northern end of the beach today, so it's about a 20-minute walk back. So heading down the northern end of Brighton, some amazing houses. Have a look at that one there. That's only recently been built. Fantastic, over 3 levels and literally on the seafront. Go on, get some water. You can feel the temperature starting to rise. Wind is starting to change, coming from the north. So you get all the heat coming from central Australia or inland. Beautiful. It's a little walkway that runs along the coast and pops out at Somerton Park. Nice little green area. It's nice what they did. So this is the northern end of my walk. So it's down Somerton Park. You can see behind me, that's the Somerton Park Life Saving Club, which has have a look at the view. So you got a little cafe there and you can have your coffee right facing out to sea. And we pan back this way, so that's where I've walked from. So you can just probably make out the Brighton jetty back down there. So beautiful walk. It's about, I think it's about 1.5 km each way, and yeah, really nice walk. So you can see a beautiful little spot to have a coffee. And they have all these park benches. There's even showers here. You want to shower off, get some fresh water. So you continue off that way, that's Glenelg down that end. Still a fair walk to Glenelg though. Anyway, that's my morning walk for today. And I'm going to head back before the temperature starts rising. It's 35 now. See you next time.